Hello and welcome to the Standard Course HSK 1. Today we'll talk about Lesson 1. So here are the takeaway of Lesson 1. So the first part is vocabulary, and the second Pinyin, it's a Chinese romanized writing form, and lastly we have character. We will talk about character. So that's the overview of this lesson, and let's begin. So the new words first. The first new word is 你 which means you, and it's a singular form. Second one, 好 so it could also mean well. And then we have the third one, 您 which is a polite form of you. I think it's like the vous in French. And number 4, we have 你们 It also means you, but it's a plural. And then we have number 5, 对不起 It means sorry. And number 6, 没关系 It means that's okay, it doesn't matter. And 没 singularly, it means no, nothing, or not. And 关系 it means relationship. So literally it would mean no relationship, but together it means it's okay. And let's see the textbook here. The text 1, 你好 and the one answers with 你好. So basically person A is saying okay, and person B answers with okay. Person A says hello, and person B says hello as well. And to me personally, if someone says hello, I will say hi, and if that one says hi, I will say hello, just to be different from the original one. And text 2, 您好 你们好 So basically the first one says hello, to one person, and the person B says hello to two or more persons. And text 3. 对不起，没关系。I'll say that again. 对不起，没关系。So you can guess that this one is surely person A. Yeah. So, although I don't know if she is laughing inside, but she seems sorry. And then after the textbook, after the text, we have Pinyin. Okay. In Pinyin, we have initials and finals. Basically, they are the consonants and vowels in English and any other language. So I'll say them twice. B, b, p, p, m, m, f, f, d, d, t, t, n, n, l, l, g, g, k, k, h, h, j, j, ch, ch, sh, sh. So these last three, they are the difficult ones. So basically we pronounce them with E. So I'll try them with the final E. So G, G, Chi, Chi, and She, She. Okay. Then we move to the finals. E, E, U, U, Ü, Ü, Er, A, Ya, Ya, Wa, Wa, O, Wo, Wo, Y, Y, Yö, Yö, E, We, We, A, Wei, Wei, O, Yo, Yo. So this one, we is written as we only. So the E is not needed. Okay? And then we have the 4 tones. The first one, ma, ma. It's always high. And the second one, also the second tone, ma, ma. And the third tone, ma, ma. So first it's falling and it's rising, ma. And then last we have ma, to scold, sorry. So I'll try those vowels so you can understand, so you can see the differences in the 4 tones. Okay. Ah, 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 ah. O, 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 sorry. The last one is E, 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 U, 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 Ü, 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 Ü. Okay, let's move to the next page. So after the tones, we have the syllables. Normally, a Chinese syllable is made up of an initial, a final, and a tone. So, generally speaking, one Chinese character corresponds with one syllable only. So there happens a time that you can have no initial, but you must have a final and a tone. Okay. So in this first one, Mao, we have this initial M and the final Ao and the tone the first tone. So together, 猫. And the second one, 鱼. So we don't have an initial, but we have final, 鱼, and second tone. So it becomes 鱼. And the third one, 解. So we have this initial j, and final y, and the third tone. So together, 解. And the fourth one, 二. We don't have an initial, but we have this final 二, and then we have this falling tone, 二. Okay? So there is also a note when when E or U acts as a syllable by itself, a Y is added before U, and then the two I's on the top of U is removed. They are removed. And then when U acts as a syllable by itself, then a W is added. Okay. So basically, for example, you have this U, or when U is pronounced, when you have a character that is pronounced U, you must put a W before it to show that it's a syllable. It's a complete syllable. It could be U, or this one, U, for the third tone or the falling tone. But the W is needed. Okay? And I'll read those monosyllabic words. Sorry, just one syllable word. Okay. E, U, yu, er, bi,猫, dao. So dao means an island, not the water. Dao means an island. And move on. Hua, ji, qi, xie, and the last one, 雪 it means snow, not the road or the trees there. Okay, 雪. And then we have the 2-syllable words, okay? 咖啡 可乐 By the way, I love Coca-Cola. It's heaven in a can. And 烤鸭 火锅 地图 it means map, not the territory of China. It means map. 地图 飞机 毛笔 it means the Chinese pen over there, not the painting or anything. 耳机 okay. So then we have this tone Sunday, but I would prefer to say tone change. So simply, to put it simple, when you have 2 third tones, they would have to be they would change to 1 second tone and 1 third tone. Okay, so the second tone is before the third tone. Okay, so we have 你 and 好. Together you have 你好 可以 辅导 but you should never write in this form, so you should always write this one and this one. So although they are pronounced the second tone, you have to write them as the third tone. Okay, I'll read them. These ones. 你好可以辅导小姐口语语法法语 So 语法 in Chinese it means grammar, and 法语 in Chinese it means French. It's quite interesting. And 讨好了解友好雨伞手表 let's move on. So I don't think we need to look at those. Okay, let's go. About the character, okay? So first we have this horizontal stroke, and then we have this vertical stroke, and then we have, and then we have this left falling, and then we have this dot, and this right falling, okay? So I think it's quite easy. So just make sure that you don't write those, for example, this horizontal, you write it from the left to the right. You don't write them from the right to the left, okay? And then let's learn some single component characters. So the number 1 is written like this, okay? And it's pronounced E, E. So we have this E as a with no, this syllable has no initial, so we have to add a Y there, and it's first tone, so we have this one, and then we have the number 2. You can see how it evolves. Basically it doesn't evolve, it just stays the same. So it's written like this, okay? And it's pronounced er. Then we have number 3. So it evolves nothing, it's just written like this. I think it's basically the same as the ancient ones, okay? And it's pronounced san, san. So we have this initial S and this tone, the first tone, okay? Then we have number 10. Well, this one really changes, it really has changed a lot from this one to this one. But you should always write from like this. The horizontal one is first, okay. And it's pronounced shi, shi. Then we have this number 8, okay. It's pronounced ba, ba. And then we have this number 6. First, this dot. Then we have this horizontal one. And then we have this dot and another dot. Okay. It's pronounced liu, liu. Thank you, and see you in next lesson. Bye bye.